Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2020 Bobcat T66. This is the new R Series loader. These are a very nice loader, second one I've owned in a month. Good running working machine, a lot of new features Bobcat's put into these machines. This unit is a cab, heat, air, 2-speed, joystick, power quick attach. AM/FM radio in it, does have the new style dash in it, suspension air ride seat. These are a 74 horsepower machine. This is what a T590 replacement or T595 replacement would be, and these are 2450. Yes, 2450 on the lift. Counterweight kits on it. They do put 200-pound weights, a 450 plate weight system on the back. Backup camera, has a factory Bobcat 66-inch bucket on it. Very, very good running working machine. This machine has emissions warranty on it until 8/26 of 2025 and or 3,000 hours. And this machine has 695 original one owner hours. Was a local machine, sold new here at our local dealer. Nothing wrong with this machine. He updated machines for tax purposes for this year. Again, very good, clean, straight, honest machine, all original paint. Back door is excellent and straight. We're going to walk you around this machine and show you everything about it. Start right here at the back door. Back door is nice and straight. There are a couple scuffs on the paint, which we didn't paint anything. We wanted to let it all original. Just a scratch there and a scratch there. In the engine compartment, you are going to see powered by a 4-cylinder Doosan D24 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We went right to Bobcat. I bought a complete and full filter kit, including air, both inner and outer, fuel filter, engine oil, hydraulic. There's actually 2 hydraulic filters. There's a case drain spin-on and a hydraulic cartridge filter, which is under the cab. Replaced those. We did the hub oils. It takes 12.7 ounces in each side. There's actually even a little inline fuel filter right there we did. Cabin filters are both brand new. So we went ahead and did our service work, so this machine was done and ready to go. We do that with everything we sell. We like that stuff to be done. There is a piece here or there that will say, hey, this is something was traded. We're not going to run it to the shop. But I tell you, and I point out things that are wrong. That's the purpose of these videos, is to give you a true, honest evaluation of a piece of equipment. You know, a lot of guys, we got guys now, we got through the shop, but if you read on, it says through the shop means we didn't do anything other than we looked it over. Well, if you're going to put it in the shop, you might as well take the time to change the filters and do it right and get through a machine. A couple nice things they've done here on the condensers. They've went ahead, they've put this system on here like this so you can get in here and clean that out, which I felt was a nice option versus the older machines. It is packed in up top on the radiator cover. So this is not hard to get to and access, which is nice. Shut the back door. Chaining points are nice in the back frame. Tracks. He went to this style of track. He liked it better, he said, for the application of work he done. They're going to be about 85%. Both are matched. The balance of the undercarriage is all 85%. Sprockets 85%. Very nice there. Very clean undercarriage. And again, that stuff is all original. Boom is nice shape. Again, all the paint's original. Bucket. This was a good Bobcat heavy-duty bucket that I had here. He had kept his bucket. Power quick attach. Auxiliary hydraulic, 17.4 GPM with case drain, with 7-pin attachment control device. When I bought this machine, an accident occurred with the door, so we put a brand new Bobcat OEM glass door in it. Brand new Bobcat OEM door seal. Does have the LED lights. A couple little spots of concrete spatter there on the front. Oh, this machine was not a salt machine. Inside the cab, they've really done a nice job. So to start, you're going to push the first button there. It's going to power everything up. Second button turns your glow plug. Start. I don't need to rinse the music. You heard it play. We'll shut that radio off. This does have auto idle. So on these new dashes, you're going to take this button. You're going to roll through here. Here's going to be your camera. Obviously, as soon as you go into reverse, it takes you into that. Vitals. There's all your vitals. Then you can push this again. Machine is operating at peak performance, which is good. We're going to go over here to service interval. You see we reset it. Next service due in 750 hours. Now, there is something I have a bit of an argument. No codes. Bobcat states like 750 hours on its engine oil or whatever. I disagree with that. We're still doing stuff every 200 or 250 hours. My honest opinion, that's where it should be. But there again, I'm not Bobcat, so do what you want to do. That's my recommendation. 695 hours, cab heat air. AC is good and cold, all the glass is in the cab. We do have joysticks, and we do have, these have the adjustable panels, or the controls just like you've seen in the other machines. We do have, right now, it is, let's go ahead and release it by pushing this button. Now, we're going to show you here, 2-speed, there's your rabbit, we're racking turtle. We're going to go ahead and go to snail mode, and you see that just clicked. Now we can speed it up, slow her down. All there is to that, we're going to push the snail mode back again, it's going to shut that off. And then you're going to see right here, we can go back into rabbit, back into turtle. Beacon light up top, AM, FM radio, cabin light, windshield wiper. Over here it does have your auto level, and then you can put both auto levels in. Power bob attach up, down. And that's about all. Got your foot throttle down here. It does have auto idle, which here in a second it will shut itself off there. Right there it is back. What we're going to do at this time, I'm going to go ahead and run this machine around, show you it does everything it's supposed to do like we normally do for all of our videos. And if you have any questions, please call us like always. Matt and I are available Monday through Friday. Generally, I'm here at 7:30 in the morning. Generally leave here at 5:30. Matt's here 8 to 5. Saturdays 8 to 12. I can meet you by appointments at other times. We're glad to work with anybody that needs help here in purchase of a machine. So we'll go ahead, fire us up. We're going to run it around. So, took me a little bit to get used to the new machine. There's new features in here that there again, I was pretty spoiled of the old machines. There are some things in these units I am starting to like. You know, there again, anything new, we tend to, I don't know, at least I do, I tend to resist sometimes, but there are some nice features in these motors. I do believe comfortability is good. Reliability is also well. We have not had any issues. I've done a lot of research on these machines, and I do believe that maybe some people have involved in the past. I'm not 100% sure that it's all the machine. That seems to be anything today. What I do like about these machines, the Bobcat packs a lot of punch in this small frame machine with this horsepower, this lifting capacity, yet you are still able to haul this machine in a fashion of you are not really a DOT heavily regulated machine. If you're a gentleman with a half, you could do this with a half-ton truck with the same regulated, but with an F-250 or a 2500 series truck, you've got a lot of machine here to do a lot of work, and yet you can haul it very, very easily. Again, Bobcat Joystick Control, very, very responsive machine. What else I think is visibility, I do like that. 2-speed. Something else we've come to really like, this new style driver. We have actually only ever had one apart, and it was a issue of the operating, it was an issue of, I do believe the environment the machine is in, but it's something well, this style drive motor now holds a lot more oil out that end bearing, and they put the brake packs out in the end bearing and actually lasts. I believe that was a great job they have done. It was a massive update that needed done on these machines. Compared to the T190, T590s, the early series with the older R series Rexroth motors. I myself do sales. myself, you may find me out in the shop helping the guys. I know a lot about the product at a young age. It's what I grew up in. Your average guy that does some of the stuff as far as selling, he can tell you more information I'm going to give you. Because there again, he's never worked on one. So it's not just a numbers game to me. I like to sell stuff that I like. I also like to sell stuff that when you're working on it, you like it, it makes it way better because it's easier to sell a product. I would hate to go out and sell a product every day that I actually despise, but I had to do it to get it done. I like to sell a product that I like to be around, I like to work on, and I like to give somebody that's going to have good service out of it. So that's something you got to think about today. When you're buying a piece of equipment, the guy that you're dealing with knows about it. Does he have a wrench going? Really good? He don't know. But hey, there's things I still learn on every day of the week. So that's my 2-speed forward, back to single speed, back to 2-speed. What I do like about these machines, they do grade nice. Very, very impressed with that. They have some things there figured out. And I feel in the other series loaders that you had a little, I think the Bobcat always was good at that. This machine here seems to have a little bit better in my opinion. Holding the grade, I don't know what they changed, but our Bob Tatch. I do like the quick tatch they went to. That's a heavy cast quick tatch. Your G's and your K's all had a steel fabricated quick tatch. I do feel that's a little heavier unit. Again, the visibility is very, very good out of these machines. The little thing you should also always do, always look up in them pinholes and make sure that bucket latch. That's something I see people do. Seen guys smash doors. I've seen only have one customer got really hurt. He thought it was latch. Something up and bumped the side of the trailer, and the fork carriage came back in and the cab hit him. It's something that you can practice. Always make sure that it's latched. The older I get, I'm not worried about safety stuff anymore. I always thought I would never turn into my dad when I got that older. It seems like I am when it comes to that safety stuff. It's just like none of us get a second chance with safety. So back to the maintenance end of this again. These machines, truthfully, if you keep up on your maintenance, these machines are around 4,000 or 5,000 hours without much issue. Basic service, you've got to keep stuff greased, you've got to keep your service intervals right. Something I can show you as far as controls, I forgot. Keep your service up. Service is cheap. Replacing parts isn't. So we're on ISO right now, so I'm doing everything here's reverse, forward, left, right, curl, uncurl, up, down. I'm going to go ahead and show you auto level. There's auto level. I'm going to go ahead and take the auto level off. That's non-auto leveling, okay? So now we want to go ahead and show you that our H pattern works. So I'm going to switch this over. We've got the cycle seat bar. Bear with me. H pattern. Now I'm going to reset that. Now here we are. There is left track forward, left track forward, up, down, curl, uncurl, recycle the seat bar. We're going to go back to ISO. We're going to push our push to operate button, curl, uncurl, up, up, down, forward, reverse, right, left. Most people won't even show you that. I do that so you see that all the controller programming is working the way it's supposed to, without errors. There again, I try to be a lot different than the average guy on the internet selling something. And there are times that I feel we get the customers that call and ask the same exact questions that I've answered in this video, and they'll say to me, well, I did watch the video, we just wanted to reiterate that we got guys out there that literally take the garden hose, they wet something down, and take a 30-second video of it and say, oh boy, she's a good one. And I look at it and the undercarriage is shot, and you can see where the boom has been welded and fabricated on. And I mean, it's auction junk. I don't sell that stuff. It's not my thing, never has been. I mean, years ago we did, but in the last 15 years, this is what we do. This was a dealer trade. I like stuff like this because we know its history, we know where it come from. We went ahead and serviced it. It's a very good running working machine. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. We can transfer the emissions warranty for the customer, no problem at all. We're going to take care of it. It costs $100 and we do it. That it will be taken care of. Fully serviced, ready to go to work. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.